Spain woke up today for its second day of sandstorms coming from the Sahara desert. The sky is an incredible yellow colour, and it gives you the impression like it's a real foggy day. Fortunately at the moment the wind has died down a little bit, but we expect more and probably stronger winds today. Most of the cars, as you can see, they're covered in this sandy film, and this has happened for the last 2 days. The air quality at the moment's not very good. You can breathe in the sand, you can breathe it, and it's just not very comfortable for you. So I think the car washes tomorrow will be very popular if we don't still get it tomorrow. Apparently it's blowing across the Atlantic, so it might reach other parts of the world. Who knows? But look at this. This poor guy washed it yesterday, and this is what happened through the night. Just come up on the hills or the mountains above the town, just to show you what you can see at the moment. You just can't see the town. Usually from this vantage point you can see all the sea and the town. It's very spooky, and it looks like something of a Max city. You know, very arid, very dry. A lot of sand is still flying about. When the cars are driving down the road, you're just being hit by sand all the time. It's quite busy on the roads at the moment. Everybody's going to work, and this is some of the devastation that's even with the winds that were bad winds last night. It's just absolutely incredible. We do get sandstorms here in Almeria, but I've never seen them as bad as this. Apparently it's going to get worse today. I'm just going to show you what you can usually see from this vantage point, and that's on a normal day, which is absolutely beautiful. But this is what it's like today. It's just totally different. It's so surreal, and it's just incredible how the weather changes. I mean, that looks like something out of Star Wars set. You know, it's just unbelievable. Obviously the camera's not picking up what I can see as well, and it's just really eerie and spooky. It's just incredible. I think I've said that a few times, but yeah, it's incredible. It's incredible for me. So now I'm down near the beach on the promenade or the paseo, whatever you want to call it, and that's what you can usually see from the mountains. Now this is usually busy, or busy-ish, with cyclists and with people walking, but obviously it would be a bit crazy today to do it. You just see how dirty the floors are, the sand. I think the wind's just starting to get up again. We're expecting a really windy day today, which that'll cause most of the damage, because it'll just sandblast everything in sight.
En menos de un mes que...
Anyway, I thought I'd just do a short video. Wherever you are in the world today, please stay safe. If you're in Spain, please wrap up this day.